mention me. Top billing on the top dog. History of my
I've been an employee for a long time. Pero sa totoo lang, nakakapagod na rin. Until such time, God directed me into this community.
shine hard, so I die hard. Overtime, plus the time card. Shooting star, I'm gassed up. Yeah, I don't need no rocket ship. Time is money, it's well spent. Use common sense. I'm excellent, excellent, always excellent, excellent. I'm so
Bilang isang anak, nasaksihan ko ang mahirap na dinanas ng aking ina. Kaya napaisip ako na gusto kong humanap ng ibang paraan para mas makatulong ako sa aking pamilya at dun ko nakilala si I Am Worldwide.
Para sa akin, it's never too young to build an empire and never too old to chase your dream. At this very moment, God placed me where I am now.
Mahiyain, walang bilib sa sarili at takot sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Hindi ko naman plinano ang lahat ng ito. Pero alam kong may plano si Lord. Ngayon, natupad ko na ang isa sa mga pangarap namin ng aking ina. Just dream, believe, and fight. Because we have a big God.
I am Elizabeth Ruiz.
I am Archangel Luis.
We are Agents of Hope, and I am Worldwide.